I'm here today to show you a bag that I got. So this is a Marc Jacobs bag, and it came in this nice little fabric bag to keep it clean. So we can open that up. And here is the purse. So it is a blue Marc Jacobs bag, and you can see there that it says Marc Jacobs, New York. And it is a small bag. It has a strap, so you can wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. The strap is kind of like the belt style, so you can adjust it as you would like. On the outside, there is a little zipper, and it does let you have a little bit of space to put something in here. But I think this is mostly decorative because it is a rather small space. So probably the only thing that I might put in here is if I had like a ticket or like a transit card or something, just something small, easily accessible. But I think it's pretty fun with the zipper, and then the end has this little tassel, which again is nice. And then here there's a little sort of bling on the bag, and again it says Marc Jacobs, New York. It comes on this like little exaggeratedly large ball chain. And then you can see that the bag is attached with these types of clips. So if for some reason you wanted to take the straps off, you could do that. And then on the back of the bag, there is a little pocket here. And I think that's nice because you could put your phone in there, just pop that in, and then you have really easy access to your phone as you're like walking around. Then inside, so you have a couple of compartments. The main, it's a little bit hard to see because it's so dark, but the main compartment I would say is big enough that you can definitely put like a wallet in there, and you could probably also have like a bit of makeup, like a couple of lipsticks or a compact. It's not huge, but you know, if you're just running around the city doing errands, you don't want to have a big heavy purse that has the potential of stuffing it full. So I think it's enough that you can have your purse, you can have your car keys, your house keys, a little bit of makeup, and it's just perfect for running around. Then it also has this other little pocket, and it's zipped up. It's pretty shallow, so I would say I would probably use it if maybe if I didn't have a wallet and I wanted to put my cards and my my cash in a little protected area. It's not huge, and it's pretty flat, so probably just money, you know, maybe if you're trying not to spend all the money you have, you want to put a little bit extra here as just in case cash, and just have it in case. It's really nice here. Again, it says Marc Jacobs in kind of a silver metallic, and you know, I think this is going to be a really nice purse for just running around town. It just magnetically closes like that. So it's going to be really easy to get in and out of this purse. So I've never owned a Marc Jacobs purse before, and I think this is just a really pretty one to start with. I think the blue is lovely, and it's definitely like the perfect size for just running around town, doing some errands, and you know, having a bit of makeup with you. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave it down below. I'm going to be really excited to use this purse. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!